If you're looking for a real value in a remote dog training collar, this one comes with 2 receivers. It's from Pit Pet. Nice package. Let's open it up. Got some instructions right off the bat. Looks like we have a couple of different options for the collars. Let's pull out a collar first. These have a lot of features. Reflective collar, very adjustable. Looks like we have charging with USB-C. We've got a power button here. We've got leads that have protective covers on them. On the front, we've got a little protective cover there for the receiver unit. A little indicator that it's on. Very nice. There's 2 of those units. Looks like there's a charging cable that charges both units at the same time from one plug. So your 2 units aren't going to require 2 charging ports. That's pretty cool. There's a lanyard for the receiver. There are some extra options for the nubs there. And then the receiver itself is real simple. There's a up and down button here. There's a lock button here. There's the big button. There's the channels. There's an LED light. That's your antenna, and you're guessing an LED light there. And it looks like there's a mode on the back here to give you an indication of, in case you forget how the controls work. Really nice system with 2 collars. Hope this helps.